MConnect demonstration demonstrating the searching for reactions. First we go to the query window, which you press this one to get the list of windows that are possible, and then the query. Now, for example, we can search for a reaction. For example, let's search for the reactions, or let's find the reactions for a mechanism, or for the species that have this particular molecule. So what we do is, for example, we search for this molecule, and for example, this one, the C4H9O isomer, can be found in many reactions. We pick one, for example. This is a specific instance of that particular isomer in the Galway propanol mechanism. Now, if we examine that further, we say, okay, we can find which reactions that particular molecule came in. So example, for it's as a reactant in this particular reaction. So if we click that particular reaction, then we find more information about it by clicking the down arrow. And here we have information about it. For example, it came from this mechanism and has these as products, these as coefficients, but we can look at all the reaction data. Here's the reaction data of this particular reaction, and by clicking this node, we see we have information here, and if we click the information, we get the information about this particular reaction. This is the reaction as it appears in the ChemChem mechanism. It has those reactants, that specific reactant, those products, the specific names of the products within third body molecules, there's none, and the reaction coefficients. We can look at the graph Arrhenius plot due to those coefficients for the reverse and the forward reactions. Now, if we wanted to examine these or save them for some reason, we can hit the Save button. And here comes up with a sort of an ordering of, it came from this mechanism, it's a ChemChem reaction data, and it's this specific molecule. Now if we save it, that gets saved into the tree of results. We get rid of this menu by saying X. Now if we go up here, we have the search part of the search tab. Now we have a list of saved articles. We restore the list of saved items, and we see within within the tree of saved items, for example, now we have this particular one that we looked at, and we can find, now we can once again look at the information about this. If we click the I and go to the visualize portion of the, I clicked it twice, the visualize portion, we have search, saved, and visualize. Now we can once again visualize that data as we did before. And that's a simple molecule search, including reaction search, including saving results.